So what we want to show you here is the ease of the bar and chain change out. Make sure that you take the battery out, turn it on its side. This particular battery saw has a built-in guard and tensioning system on it. You do not have to use a scrunch tool. Take the bar and chain out that comes standard with the chain, or with the battery saw, I'm sorry. And we add a custom bar and carbide chain. We line up the chain in the bar, put the guard back on. Put a little tension down on the locking nut. Then what we want to do is tension the chain, and we rotate the chain and pull out without the chain coming out of the bar completely to set the proper chain tension on there. Attach the depth guard. Insert the battery back in, and that's how easy it is to change over the .50 carbide chain from the standard